What is this shit? I don't like that.
We have ourselves a barra. Not a good barra, but we have a barra indeed. Is a BA green top engine with approximately
180,000 Ks?
180,000
Apparently. I mean, judging by this, I don't know what to believe.
But also, look at that bearing. Anyway, this is the engine. We got the dumbest idea in the world. We're going to see how far you can push a 2K Barra. And we ain't going to really do shit to this engine other than head studs, valve springs, oil pump gears, and then see how far we can push it. It might take one pass. It might take 10 minutes to blow this thing up.
I reckon it'll blow on the dyno.
Shit, it could even... I'm sorry, Dylan. This might blow up in the dyno. So we will have some fail safes underneath the car when it's on the dyno, but we finally have an engine. Not that it's a great one, but we are here.
So what we're going to do is give it a clean.
Yeah, it's well due for a clean. So
Probably use some oven cleaner and some stuff.
we'll show you some dodgy tricks on how to make things look
we'll
beautiful.
We'll just time lapse this stuff. No one gives a shit.
Yeah.
But while we are here,
Yep.
hang on. Since the last video, look at this stuff.
Oh, brother.
I mean, this doesn't look fantastic close up because it's just brushed on KBS.
Don't worry about that.
And there's
Go
a
look
few-
underneath the 13.
There's a few runs on it because I went too thick. But, I mean, the only person that's really going to see it is going to be the Regency inspectors, so...
Which we might try and get a secret camera into Regency and see what they say.
How's this?
It's beautiful, brother.
It's trying to focus. But not enough light under here. But yeah, I went Raptor coat instead. So that's done now. So now I can start putting it back together.
Looks good. Let's put it together. Get it off the hoist so we can put that thing on the hoist. And make su-su-su noises and not do a 10-second pass. We'll do a 12-minute pass. No good. Not good. The engine cummed on me.
Barra tough. Oh, well, while we're doing that, Zach's here taking this shitty sep. What are you... No.
There's nothing left.
This guy's trying to put us in a gas chamber.
What's going on here? I don't know what I'm doing.
Our battery's going to die anyway, so we'll just keep taking this apart and...
We'll give you an update soon.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you know, you get that when you work with this idiot.
You get that with big motors?
So we just pulled so we're gonna take off the cover and see what's underneath.
I bet it'll come off now.
Jesus.
Look at that.
That's,
Why you buy a gas motor?
that looks brand new, brother.
Yeah, it's just...
Chain. It's just what?
Why's it rusty?
Hey, it wipes right off, it's fine.
Yeah, you just don't ask questions, is what you do. Dad's mad at me. Raph, what'd you do?
Well, just, you know, I just wanted to see how it looked. Speaking of Barra.
Oof. That guy's got a massive penis. Anyway, so we've just decided to put a turbo on the engine to see what it looks like.
I mean,
And mind you, the turbo's worth more than the engine and the car combined.
Alright guys, last time we were here, we were just cleaning the motor. We were cleaning the Barra, camera died, we just thought we'd come back to it. So in the meantime, we'd ordered some parts. we've got some goodies here. We got billet oil pump, gears, backing plate, oversized washers, head studs, and valve spring, all Dominator stuff. Big shout out to James from Pulsar. He hooked us up with that. As you can see, the barrow's not here. It's moved because we got our conversion kit from KE Conversions. So I started in there just to see how it looked. They do come with 25mm crossmember spacers as well in the kit. I haven't put them in yet, which is why it sits so high. So once you put that in, obviously we'll drop it. It'll be much better clearance between the bonnet. But yeah, gonna have to take the motor out again once Anth gets here, and then we're gonna start tearing it down, really. Also, as you can see, this is now rolling. I figured I'd better hurry up and get this done so we can put this on the hoist. Underneath's all done. It doesn't have the diff in it yet, but all the subframes, arms, suspension is all in. I was gonna do the bay again, but at this point I just really want to fucking drive it. So I just gave her a little clean. It's not looking too bad. And very soon I'll put it all back together and it should be off defect, hopefully. But let's get this motor out.
So we have a very dirty barrow that we cleaned and we got to take it apart.
Yeah, because it's still not that clean.
No.
It was at the bottom of a river. Internally it looks good, but anyway. So we're gonna start.
This half internally.
Yeah. We're gonna start stripping it, and that's about it. Now, if you guys are expecting these nice little B-roll clips like Jake's Chop Shop, right now that's a bit difficult because I'll be in front of the camera as well. So
we'll try. I've got an idea. We'll try.
do we?
I've got an idea.
Anywho, oh, look at this guy. What is this shit? You know, here we are working on a Ford where even ratchet spanners don't fit. What kind of design is this? What am I gonna do? Just cut the pulley off or what?
So easy way to remove these bolts right here,
What is that?
where that water pump pulley is. Just got to get a bit of clearance, you know? That's real nice.
So we got some clearance. Just took that off, you know. We'll be able to reuse it. You good there, man?
This is no good.
That's lefty tidy, mate.
This engine's gonna blow up
Good.
so easily. Say you love it. Say it on camera. You wouldn't.
I love the E30 she has.
No, you don't. That's one lie that I can tell that you're fucking lying about.
It's like jelly.
I guess we'll find out when we pull it off, right?
I don't like that.
Can I do it on your phone? Because my phone's not working.
That timing covers off, timing chains off, rest of the crap's off. Getting ready to take the head off now. Have a good look in there. This was very oily, as you can see from that spark plug. Hopefully it was just this gasket, seal, whatever, and not a ring issue. But we'll see. Yeah.
I love how you say it does matter, but you just do it anyway.
What do you want me to do? Check.
Yeah? If you're so fucking worried about it.
Now, are there any hidden bolts?
Not that I know.
I don't really think sequence matters once we've loosened it, but, you know,
Oh, it smells.
got to go by the book.
They're going to tell us that the sequence matters right now, and you shouldn't be using that.
No, I've already loosened it, bro. I could have just unrattled it fucking from the get-go.
Yeah, but there's probably some engine builder watching, like,
Wait, at the end of the day, man, we paid $550 for this motor. If we blow it up, good.
this is the whole point of this, basically, to blow up this engine. There's no other thing about it. Oh my God.
Oh, it fucking stinks, bro. It actual smells.
All right. Look at that. That's one wet piston. Yummy.
I reckon we can use that again. Actually.
That's
That's fucked.
That's what separates the boys from the men. Reusing that.
So, this looks a lot worse than I was hoping. Oh.
I mean, not really that I heard of,
Either
but
way, if it's rings, we're still just going to put boost for it. Just means lower compression, which means more boost. So, who cares?
yeah. This engine was bought to blow up, so
Well, no, not bought to blow up. It was more so the fact if it blows up, who cares?
yeah. Not if, but when.
But when we see things like this, are we going to fix it? No. If it's just the gasket, yes.
So
Because we're going to
don't-
change it anyway.
Don't
but
take any advice from us.
look, I think for now, we've seen what we have to see. We can. Let's have a look. Smooth.
Oh, that smells, man.
That stinks like shit. Look at that. Barra power. Mate, if we do this with no oil in it for long enough, we're going to spin a bearing. Anyway, I'm going to bed. I reckon we're done for the night. We've got to clean this up. We're going to paint the block.
Take the sump off.
Just so it looks pretty when we blow it. Take the sump off, do oil pump gears, get a head gasket, and
Now, I've got the idea of painting this block like a fluoro colour so you can see where the parts land.
but what if we never blow it? Then it's just a waste of that paint.
Black it is.
Black.
All right.
Okay. That's it. We'll leave it for now. But how pretty are those mounts? Those brackets. KE conversions. Good job.
Good work, brother.
Thank you. Yeah, step on it.
Well, we'll see you tomorrow night, which is probably 3 nights from now, but in this video it'll be 10 seconds from now. So, yep.
No, this is it.
Huh?
This is going up.
Oh.